Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Product Filters for WooCommerce, creating and configuring filters. In this video, I will show you how to create and configure filters using the product filter for WooCommerce plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Filters. Now, click on the Add New Filter button. Add a title to your filter for filtering starts. You can choose if filters apply automatically or when clicking a button, which components to use. Select the components to update during filtering. Pagination. Update pagination without reloading the page. Sorting. Update sorting without reloading the page. Results count. Update the number of results dynamically. Page title. Update the page title during filtering. Breadcrumb. Update breadcrumbs navigation dynamically. Pagination AJAX. Enable AJAX. For pagination updates. Sorting AJAX. Enable AJAX for sorting updates. To add an element, click on the Add Element button. For elements, we have fields, preset, and layout. In fields, we have checkbox list, radio list, drop-down list, color list, box list, text list, price slider, and button. In presets, we have categories and stock status. In layout, we have simple box and columns. Now, let's add a preset filter. Click on Categories. Add the title of the filter. Add a query for filtering products that match all selected categories. You can select the source of the category, such as tag, taxonomy, or stock status. You can select source options like attribute, category, tag, taxonomy, or stock status. For categories, you can either select a specific category or all categories. In display conditions, we have display, only parent, only selected, and except selected. In order by, you can select name, order, or count. In display rules, show this element if the category is equal to or adjust a rule based on your needs. Once the settings are added, click the Apply Settings button. Click the Save button to save the filter. That's it. In this video, you have created and configured your filters. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.